Hi everyone, Arthur Bird here with Bird's Piano Academy. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you one really cool but simple trick to make your chord sound that bit more interesting. And let's get going! So here's the trick that you can apply to any chord or any chord progression when you want. Let's just take a basic chord progression of C major, G major, A minor and F major, like this. So here's the trick. To make your chord sound more interesting, what you can do is do a SUS2 chord, which sounds like this. So it's just a way to make the chord sound more interesting and not the same every single time. And what it is a SUS2 chord. SUS2 is short for suspended second interval. A normal chord in root position is made up of the intervals first, third and fifth. And in order to play a SUS2, you are suspending the second interval into the chord. So if the C major is that 1, 3, 5, you need to play the second rather than the third, like that. So it's called a suspended because you're suspending the second interval into the chord. And then you can resolve it by going to the third interval. So that's called a suspended second. So you can do that on any chord. The easiest way to find it is to go up a full step from your root position. If you want to play a G sus2, you play your first and your fifth, but rather than the third, you go up a full tone or a full step from the root. So the root is the G, so you get up 2 semitones, so 1, 2. That'll give you the G sus2, and then you can resolve to the G major if you want. And it works for more complicated chords. For instance, if you wanted to do an F sharp major, you can't just go up to the next white note. So that's the F sharp major. If you go up to the next white key, it's too clashy. It needs to be a full tone or full step to find the second. So it's F sharp is a root position, up a full tone. So that's 1 semitone, 2 semitones, so a full tone. And that would be the F sharp sus2. Let's do one more. If you've got a B flat major chord, so that's the B flat major. But if you want to play a B flat sus2, you'd go up a full step or full tone from the root. So that's the B flat, so that's 1 semitone, 2 semitones. That's the B flat sus2. So then if you apply that principle to the C, G, A minor, F, but with the sus2s, you can add it in and take it out whenever you want. So you could play the C sus2, and then you could resolve to the C major. You could stay on the G sus2 there, and you could go up to the A minor, and then you could play the F sus2. So F is there, so that's there. Or you could go the other way around. You could go like this, and then resolve down to the F. So it's a really nice way to add a little bit of It's my little boy knocking on the door. So it's a really nice way to add a bit of variety to your chords.